Hey you guys, I am back and today we're going to make a sweet and sour chicken during the hurricane, okay? You're going to need some chicken, some fries, eggs, honey, paprika, black pepper, sea salt, some seasoning for your chicken, ketchup, sugar, flour, oil, and a little hot sauce to top it off with. And you're going to need something to cook with, maybe a hot plate or a gas stove. This is what I'm using. Okay, you guys, once your chicken is fresh and clean, you go ahead and add your chicken over to your plate. Season them up. I'm going to use my sea salt. Get it all around it. Black pepper. Get some pepper on it. Paprika. All around it. Chili powder. Garlic powder. You Goya season for chicken for color. Put it on around it. Just like so. I'm going to take this and I'm going to mix it up. Just like that. Just get it all over. Chicken. Just like so. You want to get it all over. When you finish, this is what it's supposed to look like once you finish seasoning, okay, you guys? Okay, you guys, go ahead and get you some eggs. Probably like, I'm going to use 3 eggs because I'm not going to use water. So I'm going to use 3 eggs and crack it into a pot or a bowl. This is what I have right now because you know it's hurricane time, so I got a little pot. And just take it, and you can add just a tiny bit of pepper, tiny bit of sea salt, or you don't have to add anything. And just whip it together like that. And this is what I'm going to dip my chicken into. Just whip it up like that. Just like so. Whip it up real good. Just like so. Okay, you guys? Okay, you guys. Now take your chicken and dip it into the egg. Get it all over it. And once you dip it into there, you're going to go ahead. I made a flour with the bag. I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken into the bag. So that's what you do. Dip it into your egg. Get it all over. You might have season come off. Don't worry about it. It's all good. Take it and put it into the flour. Just like so. Okay, you guys. Now take the chicken. Shake it up in the bag. Just like so. Just shake it. Shake it up. Let the flour get all over the chicken. Just like so. You see that? Shake it up now. Get it all over the chicken. Okay, now. The pot is hot. The grease is hot. You go ahead and add your chicken into it. Just like so. Just like that. Fried hurricane chicken. Right on your little gas stove. Go in there just like so. And let them cook up. Just like that. Y'all see that? Okay. That's how you fry your chicken on your stove. Y'all see what I'm using there? Fried chicken. Okay, I'm gonna come back to you guys when it's done. Okay, you guys, let's make that sweet and sour sauce. So, we're gonna add ketchup. Good amount of ketchup. We're gonna add some honey. I don't measure once again, I go with the flow. And then we're gonna add some sugar. And some water. And we're gonna mix that together just like so. Just mix it together, whip it together. And that's all I'm gonna use for my sweet and sour sauce. Okay, if you want it sweeter, just add a little bit more honey or a little bit more sugar. You see that? Just mix it together. It's gonna get thick once I heat it up. Okay, that's how you make your sweet and sour sauce. Okay, you guys, my chicken is done. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and let you guys see what it looks like. Y'all see that? How beautiful. Alright. Take them out, put them on the plate. That says grease off in it. On the plate. As you can see, I'm taking them out. Real golden. You see how the egg does the chicken? Makes it real pretty. Golden. Y'all see that? Now I'm not going to change my grease, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and add some fries over in the same grease. Oops. Real life, you guys. So who said you can't have fried chicken for the kids and yourself? You see that? Fried chicken. Right there. Cooked on a gas burner during the hurricane, you guys. Let's add some fries. Okay, you guys, let's just add some fries into the pan. I am using steak fries, you guys. So. And you want to make sure your grease is super hot. So you want to cut your gas up and make it a little hotter than frying the chicken. That way your fries are cooked good and crispy. You guys can see that. And I took the same grease as I used for the chicken. They're going to even taste even better. So don't even worry about it. Don't change your grease. Use the same grease. And these are steak fries. Let me show you the bag. Right out of Walmart. Steak fries. Okay, you guys. I'm going to come back when it's done. Okay, you guys. My fries are done. And I am taking them out right now, as you can see. And that's what they look like. I know they taste good. Just getting the rest of them out. Have a little bit more chicken to fry. And that's it. So you guys, you see that? Steak fries. And that's it. You got that. Now, the sweet and sour sauce, I'm just going to take it and heat it up. That's all you have to do is just warm it up. And that's all to it. So just take it and put it on your owl and heat it up. Okay? Okay, you guys, I have my sweet and sour sauce. I'm just going to go ahead and just pour some over on my chicken, you guys. Just like so. Just like so. Come across the chicken. Just like that. That's all I'm going to add. And that's my sweet and sour sauce on my chicken. And you know I'm going to use hot sauce. Just a little hot sauce on it. And there you go. You see that, you guys? Sweet and sour hurricane chicken, you guys. Made right from a gas stove. Who said you can't eat good when the kids during a hurricane? Lies. Until next time, you guys, I love you. Be safe and God bless.